Hello and thank you for tuning in. If you're watching this, you're probably in Mth253 Fall 2024. This is assignment J1EC2, and the question is, as you can see on the screen, what's the value of x? And if you're good with exponents, this problem is not too hard. By way of background, I subscribe to a number of newsletters from medium.com, and Bella Lambert is a popular math blogger, and a lot of her puzzles show up in these newsletters, and they're kind of fun. They're not too hard, they're not too easy, they're just right for me. So, to solve this problem and figure out what is the value of x, first of all, look at the bases in all the terms. Some are 5 to the power of something, and some are 25 to the power of something. And the first step is to express all of these terms with the same base, in this case 5. So look at the left-hand side of the expression. 25 to the power of negative 2 is the same as 5 squared to the power of negative 2, which is 5 to the negative 4th power. On the right-hand side, 5 is the base of 2 terms, and 25 is the base of the third term all the way over to the right. So 25 to the power of something is the same as 5 squared times the power of that something. So 25 to the power of 17 over x can be written as 5 squared times 17 over x, or 5 to the power of 34 over x. Now all the terms in this expression have the same base, and the math gets a little bit simpler. Look at the denominator of the expression on the right. 5 to the power of 26 times 5 to the power of 34 is the same as the sum of those two values, or 5 to the power of 60 over x. The fraction on the right is now simplified as 5 to the power of 48 over x divided by 5 to the power of 60 over x, or 5 to the power of 48 over x minus 60 over x, or 5 to the power of negative 12 over x. We've now got two terms on both sides of the expression. 5 to the negative power of 4 is the same as 5 to the negative power of 12 over x. And the reason for setting all the bases to the same value is that now that they can be eliminated. So the exponents are negative 4 equal to negative 12 over x, and with a little bit of algebra, x is equal to negative 12 over negative 4, or equal to 3. So now the question is, was the math done correctly? And over to your right, you can see in our console, the three exponents are 5 to the power of 48 over 3, 5 to the power of 26 over 3, and 5 to the power of 34 over 3. So I've set those three values set to variables named a, b, and c. A is 48 over 3, b is 26 over 3, and c is 34 over 3. And just to check my math, a is 48 over 3, which is 16. Take a look at the value of b. If that number looks familiar, it's because you know trig. And c is equal to 34 over 3, or 11.3 repeating. That makes computation of the term a little bit easier. 5 to the power of a divided by quantity 5 to the power of b times 5 to the power of c. And that gives 16.0016. And the question is that what 25 to the negative power of 2 is equal to? And according to R, it's also equal to 0.0016. So probably 3 is the correct answer. So I hope that helps and it's interesting. Thanks for watching. If you got questions or comments, I'm in class every day and it'd be nice to talk to you. Thanks for watching.